Alright, we've got our 60-inch Runningboard lights here. Just wanted to do a quick demo to show you exactly how it works. The configurations normally come split red-white. In this case, this is a custom order, so we went ahead and did red-white on each one of them. Of course, we got the other color options as well. For $50, we can customize the bar itself for you to any configuration that you need. This has the flood mode capabilities with it as well. Pretty much just the flood mode. All that's going to allow you to do is all modules will turn white and steady. So you can see right there. That can be used as a scene light, off-road light, and so on. And then you can turn your flood mode override off, and then it will go right back to flashing. There's a variety of different colors here you guys can select during install. Gonna run through a few of them real quick. You got your center out traffic directional pattern. You got a steady burn right there. Again, if you wanted to use that and then turn around and turn on your flood override, you could do that. So you can see the red here goes white whenever you enable that. You got some faster patterns here you can use. Again, with this flood rise. These things have a 3-year warranty on them. Each module is individually sealed, so you don't have to worry about water getting into it or any sort of moisture. It's an aluminum body on it, so you don't have to worry about rust. And it can mount to pretty much any vehicle. We use the standard L brackets to mount up to. So check them out on POVequip.com. If you guys have any questions on them, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer their questions for you.